Most of us don't have to give a second thought to the quality of our food. That's due in part to the work of researchers like Dr. Ronald Howard. For the past 33 years, Dr. Howard has worked as a plant pathologist, researcher, and manager at the Alberta Crop Diversification Centre South. During his time at the CDCS, he studied about 50 different types of crops and their diseases. He provides producers with the information they need on these crop diseases and how to manage them. To gather this information, Dr. Howard collaborates with government research stations, universities, and the private sector, as well as producers. The CDCS is also mandated to bring crops from around the world to Alberta to test their adaptability.
As these new crops come here, they may bring diseases with them that we need to look at and understand whether those are potentially a threat here. And as well, we have native diseases that these crops might not have been exposed to in their home locations, and we need to look at the risk that our indigenous diseases pose to these new crops.
Information flows both ways. Dr. Howard is also an ambassador, sharing his findings with producers, researchers, extension specialists, and academics around the world. He has written publications and made hundreds of presentations and advises postgraduate students and visiting scientists from Canada and China. He spearheaded the construction of the new $16 million research greenhouse facility at CDCS, the most modern in Canada. As his retirement approaches, Dr. Howard hopes his legacy will be healthier food crop production for Alberta and the world. For his work keeping our food supply abundant and safe, Dr. Ronald Howard is the recipient of the Dow AgroSciences ASTech Innovation in Agricultural Science Award.